Now in this class I am going to explain about Arrhenius equation. What is Arrhenius equation? The relationship between the rate constant and temperature. What is that? Rate constant and temperature. See here, the quantitative tative the quantitative relationship relationship between rate constant rate constant and temperature. That formula is that equation is the k equal to, what is that? K equal to a into e power of minus ea by rt. K equal to a into e power of minus ea by rt. So now look at here, what is the k? K is the rate constant rate constant. Now here is the a is the frequency factor frequency factor. Now e is the base of natural logarithm natural logarithms. Next one, r is the gas constant that is 8.314 joule Kelvin inverse mole inverse. Next one, T is the absolute temperature absolute temperature. Now EA is the activation energy So this is the abbreviation about this Arrhenius equation. Okay, what is the Arrhenius equation? The relationship between the rate constant and temperature, that is the Arrhenius equation. So I am write the Arrhenius equation in logarithm. I am write the Arrhenius equation in logarithm. How we can write that? Look at here. I am write the now in logarithm. See here. First of all, I am write the logarithm on both sides of this. What is that? Arrhenius equation. Look at here. Log base e k equal to log base a log base e a. Okay. Next, now here one formula is there. Log m power of n equal to n log m. Now see here, this is the m, this is the n. N is come to the front side, so I am write the minus ea by rt Next, log base e into log base e. So another one formula is there. This is one formula, and second one formula, log base e into e, that is equal to 1. This is one formula. Okay, clear? Two formulas are there. Log base e into e, that is equal to 1. Log m power of n equal to n log m. I written this one like the formula of log m power of n. Clear? This one formula. I have written that one. So finally this value is totally, it is equal to the 1. Clear? Right, now write down here log base e equal to 2.3 303 log base 10. Is that clear? I am apply the this one 2.303 log base 10 in this place. So 2.303 log base 10 k, that is equal to log, here is also write down 2.303 log base 10 a minus EA by RT. So this value totally 1 now. Okay. Right now here divide with 2.303. Divide with 2.303 on both sides. Both sides. Okay, clear? Right. See here. Next point. What is going here? 2.303 log base 10k by 2.303 log base 10. Clear? Understood? Right. Next one here, see. Right. Now here see equal to this one 2.303 log base 10 a by 2.303 log only. Now okay, just we have divided with the 2.303 now, right? 2.303 2.303, don't take a log here. Okay, next what is there here? Remain minus EA by, here is also 2.303 RT, 303 RT, that one. Right now here cancel 2.303, 303, 303 cancel. Remain log base 10 k equal to log base 10 A, this one, minus EA by 2.303 RT. So this is the equation about Arrhenius equation in logarithm. Okay, I hope you understand. What is the Arrhenius equation? The relationship between the rate constant and temperature. This one formula. When you write in the logarithm, in logarithms, this one formula.